Busy day ahead, but still want to lose weight? Today, I'll show you 3 quick, healthy Japanese recipes you can cook in just 10 minutes. Designed to help you burn fat faster without stressing your schedule. Welcome to SlimSync. We all reach for convenience, but what if healthy eating could be just as easy? These recipes are effortless, nourishing, and help you reach your weight loss goals. No hours in the kitchen required. Let's find that calm in the kitchen together. After a long day, the last thing you want is a complicated meal. That's why Shiso Lemon Chicken is my go-to. It's lean, bright, and ready in minutes, helping your body burn fat while feeling like a reward. Start with a thinly sliced chicken breast. Think shabu-shabu thin. This lets it cook in just a minute or 2. Next, grab fresh shiso leaves, ginger, and lemon zest. Shiso aids digestion, ginger boosts metabolism, and lemon adds a zesty kick. Heat a little avocado or sesame oil in a hot pan. Add the chicken. Listen for that sizzle. Stir fry for just a minute, then toss in grated ginger. The aroma is incredible. As soon as the chicken turns opaque, turn off the heat. Add chopped shiso leaves so they stay fresh and vibrant. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of zest. Toss everything together. The warmth activates the flavors. Serve in a shallow bowl, maybe over steamed quinoa or on its own. The green shiso and pale chicken look as good as they taste. This meal is high protein, low calorie, and keeps late night cravings at bay. You'll feel full, light, and energized. No sluggishness here. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With smart prep and fresh ingredients, you can have a delicious, fat-burning meal in less time than it takes to order takeout. It's a small act of self-care at the end of a busy day. Remember, lean protein for muscle, herbs for digestion, and citrus for metabolism, all in 10 minutes. Next time you're tempted by takeout, try this instead. It's a delicious, healthy choice you'll want to repeat. The workday lunch is a nutritional danger zone. Enter the tofu and wakame clear soup. Bento cup, a healthy, detox-friendly lunch you can prep in minutes. In a heat-proof jar, layer dashi powder or a veggie bouillon cube for instant broth. Add a pinch of dried wakame seaweed. It expands and adds minerals with almost no calories. Top with cubed silken tofu for plant-based protein that keeps you full and focused. Add grated ginger for digestion and sliced scallions for a fresh bite. Finish with a few drops of sesame oil or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for nutty aroma and healthy fat. Seal the jar and pack it for work. At lunch, just add hot water, stir, and watch the soup come to life. Wakame unfurls, tofu warms, and the broth turns savory and aromatic. In 2 minutes, you have a steaming, nourishing soup that hydrates and satisfies without weighing you down. It's the perfect antidote to heavy, carb-laden lunches and keeps your energy steady all afternoon. Customize it. Add freeze-dried corn, a dab of miso, or dried shiitake for variety. This bento cup is proactive self-care. No more decision fatigue at lunch. Japanese cuisine is all about balance and simplicity, and this soup brings that tradition to your busy day. While others grab greasy sandwiches, you enjoy a comforting, slimming meal that supports your goals. When you crave something cool and refreshing, the Yuzu-Cucumber Soba Crunch Bowl is your answer. Soba noodles, made from buckwheat, offer slow-release energy and help prevent sugar crashes. Cook soba for 4-5 minutes, then rinse under cold water to chill and remove starch. Slice cucumber into thin matchsticks for a hydrating, crunchy base. Toast sesame seeds for a nutty crunch and healthy fats. For the dressing, whisk yuzu juice, or lemon lime if you can't find yuzu, a splash of soy sauce, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Assemble, lay chilled soba in a bowl, top with cucumber, drizzle with yuzu dressing, and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Add shredded nori for a savory, umami finish. This bowl is visually stunning and packed with flavor. Zesty, crisp, and satisfying. It's perfect for lunch or a light dinner, especially on warm days. The fiber and slow carbs keep you full, so you won't reach for snacks later. No heavy cooking, no greasy frying. Just fresh, clean ingredients in harmony. This meal is low-calorie, high nutrition, and supports your weight loss goals. Eating it is a sensory experience. Cool noodles, crisp cucumber, nutty sesame, and bright yuzu. Weight loss food can be vibrant and exciting. This bowl proves it. There you have it. 3 fast, delicious Japanese meals to fit your busy life and support your weight loss journey. From zesty Shiso Lemon Chicken to the convenient Tofu and Wakame soup, and the refreshing Yuzu-Cucumber Soba Bowl, you have options for any mood. Healthy eating can be quick, satisfying, and sustainable. By choosing meals like these, you're nourishing your body and fueling your goals. If you're busy but want to lose weight, these recipes make it possible. Like and subscribe to SlimSync for more fast slimming recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.